Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. About 8 weeks ago we planted this chap. This is an Astilbe called Hot Pearls, and we kept lots and lots and lots of water. You can't give these enough water, and you can see what it's done. It's filled out very quickly. The size we planted was that size there. Can be planted from now. So that's Astilbe Hot Pearls. Really tough, hardy, reliable Astilbe to grow. We start to fill out. Grows the height you can see here about what? That's about 45-50 centimeters high. It will spread around 2 meters across and flower for months, but you've got to keep them well watered. I mean, water, especially in the sort of dry weather we've had recently, every day, every second day, buckets and buckets and buckets of water, and they'll be with you for years and years to come. After a few years, then you can lift the clump and split it up, and you have more plants to spread through your garden. But you can see how quickly it started to spread out. So that's Astilbe Hot Pearls. Well worth finding a spot for them. It's a great colour and a reliable Astilbe to produce lots and lots of flowers. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.